Hello everyone and welcome to Kido Finance Think Tank Thursday of 5th September 2024. We are very close to Ganesh Chaturthi. The entire atmosphere is vibrating with Ganpati Bappa Moria. So today we will learn more about Sukhakarta Dukharta, the Aarti that is sung at every Ganesh Pandal during the Ganpati festival. Sukhakarta Dukharta Varta Vignachi. This is an Aarti, a devotional song about Ganpati Bappa, and now is a universally sung Aarti all around the world. It was written by Samartha Ramdas Swami more than 400 years back. He was inspired to compose this Aarti when he was visiting the Mayureshwar temple at Morgaon, which is one of the temples of the Ashtavinayak pilgrimage route, which consists of 8 Ganesha temples. Sukhakarta, Dukharta, Varta Vignachi, Durvi Purvi Prem Krupa Jayachi. Ganapati Bappa is the one who brings us happiness, Sukhakarta, removes sadness, Dukhaharta, Varta Vignachi, and destroys obstacles. Durvi Purvi Prem Krupa Jayachi. His blessings spread love everywhere. Do you know Ganpati Bappa is also called Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles, and that is why it is a tradition to pray to Ganesha when beginning any Shubhakarti. Shendurachi, Kanthi Zhalke Maal Mukta Phalachi. Ganpati Bappa has a yellow-orange fragrance paste, the Shendur Utti, on his body. In his neck, he wears a necklace of pearls, Mukta Phalanchi Maal. Ganpati Bappa is like a superhero, always there to support. Jai Dev. We bow to the auspicious idol, Ganpati Bappa. All our wishes are fulfilled just by looking at the idol of Ganpati Bappa. Remember children, wishes backed up with sincere and hard work always gets fulfilled. Ratna Kachita Phara Tuza Gauri Kumara Chandanachi Uti Kumkum Keshara. Offering you, O son of Gauri, Gauri Kumara, a seat studded with jewels. Also offering you Chandanachi Uti, sandalwood paste, and Kumkum, red tilak, Keshara on the head. Do you know Ganpati Bappa's large ears symbolize the importance of listening carefully to others? The diamond studded tiara that you wear suits you well. Hire Jadita Mukuta. The anklets that you wear tingle in your feet. Lambodara Pitambar Fanivara Vandana Sarala Sonda Vakra Tunda Tridana. Lambodara, one with a big stomach, wearing a pitambar, a yellow cloth. Fanivara Vandana, one to whom the Fanivara, the snake, bows. Sarala Sonda, one who has a straight trunk. Vakratunda, with a bent end. Trinayana, and a third eye. Do you know Ganpati Bappa is the writer of the epic Mahabharata? Rishi Vyas recited the same to Ganpati Bappa. This devotee of God Ram awaits you, O Ganpati Bappa, at my home. Please help us during calamities. Sankati Pavave, Nirvani Rakshave, protect us when we are in danger. O Suravara, Suravara, best among gods, Vandana, we bow to you. This is the original Aarti written by Ramdas Swami. It is interesting to note that nowhere in this Aarti you will come across what we know as the names of Lord Ganesh like Ganesh, Ganapati. However, the entire description makes us realize that this Aarti is about our very own Ganapati Bappa. Matre mana kamana purti Jai Dev Ganpati Bappa Moria. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel of Kido Finance for many educational resources for children as well as culturally relevant content. Thank you. Jai Hind.